Hi, I'm Ali from Wildlife Hair in Sydney, and today I'm going to take you through a pixie haircut with lots of different techniques, keeping it modern so that we can really bring out the femininity in your client and make sure it really pops. So now's where the personalizing comes into play. So what I'm more talking about is still taking sectioning and moving it around her face to take out a little bit of bulk and a little bit of weight. We still have disconnected panels all through these sides that we can work with and play with rather than just go in hasty and cut them off, or go in hasty and texturize by just point cutting. So with her, I noticed that her hair is kind of sitting a little bit nicer, swooping to that side. So this is the sectioning pattern on the top, and we're going to take right down the center of that and forward graduate it and get rid of all of that. Now, just to marry the fringe section in with the side section, we'll just take a diagonal section along the front here and just take out any weight lines that need to be taken out. So some people will end up, and a lot of doll's heads have it too, where there's quite a chunk of hair in here. So sometimes we'll just need to go in there and take out some of that as well. So this side, we'll keep the sectioning happening at that stationary guide and bring everything to that. Again, we'll come through and we'll just double check that front hairline and just give it some point cutting where it needs to be. Take out that top section again, bring all that hair forward and just make sure that we're as short on this side underneath as we are on the other side. Take a diagonal back section and just bring this out at a diagonal graduation and just knock off that bulk. So once it's all texturized and you're happy with the debulking of the haircut, well, I'm just going to go through and dry it. You can use your Denman or a vent brush. I like to use my fingers and just use the round of the head as my board to get that little bit of a bend in the hair, and I'm going to over direct it all different ways. This is the blow dry that we'll do afterwards, and I would teach my client how to do. To finish the look once it's dry, I'll use the sea salt spray just in my hands. So give my hands a good wet down and work that through the ends. I have put some sea salt spray in as a blow dry lotion too, but that just gives it that nice separation. So there's our straight first look of our pixie haircut.